Hi everyone, my name is P. Sanjana. Today we are learning about constructor chaining in Java. How one constructor can call another constructor within same class using this keyword. Yeah. First of all, we will see about what is constructor chaining. Constructor chaining is also called as constructor overloading. Constructor chaining allows one constructor to call another within the same class. It helps in reusing code and reducing redundancy. This keyword is used to call another constructor within the same class. Okay. Now we are going to see an example for this keyword using demonstrating constructor chaining in Java. Okay. Let us see about code. First of all, it is a class which have three instant variables: name, age and course. Okay. First of all, here we are having default constructor. Here we have public student. Public student is a class which have this keyword unknown, 18 and not assigned. These are the parameters for calling main constructor. Student system.out.println default constructor call. Yeah, this is the statement we have given. Next we are seeing about constructor 2 calls constructor 3. Here constructor 2 is calling constructor 3. We are declaring here main constructor. Public student, it has two parameters, so this is called as parameter constructor, and this is having name, age and computer science. So we are having two parameters, name and age. We are calling this age computer science, yes, and system.out.println, which we are printing two parameter constructor call, and we are entering to main constructor. Public student, string name, int age and string course. Here we are calling three parameters, and we are printing this dot name is equals to name. Because why we are using this, because here we are giving name parameters and local variables as same values, so we are using this dot name is equals to name, because to differentiate this instant variables and this local variables into parts to understand the program. Here we are printing system.out.println three parameter constructor called, yeah, and we are entering to method to display. We are giving some parameter, we are giving variables and it has to print that, and we are going to main class. Public static void main string args, and we are using object creation. Here we are creating objects to initialize the main constructor for initiating values, and we are giving and student s2 is equals to new student alice 22. Here we are giving values to the constructors and output of the program. Three parameters constructor called. Yes, we are calling three constructor parameters. Like we are calling, wait, third constructor, three parameter constructor called, and two parameter constructor called, default constructor called. Here we are using three constructor called and default constructor called. And first statement is that two default constructor called, and student name is unknown, age is equals to 18 and course is not assigned, and three parameter constructor called, and two parameter constructor is also called. Student name Alice and age is 22 and course is computer science. Yeah, here we assign that values to in main class, and student s2 is equals to new student Alice and 22, and it called two parameters. And the key takeaways of this program is this constructor is used to call another constructor within the same class. Here we are using same class, but in this we are getting called by another constructor the call is this must be the first statement in the constructor. Yes, we are using this constructor as, in this constructor, default constructor, we are using this as the first statement. And this program and this keyword is used to reducing and redundancy and improving core usability. This is all about the learning constructor chaining in Java, and how one constructor can call another constructor in the same class using this keyword. Thank you.